how to sing a song perfectly. Welcome to Singing Genius with Carrie Griffiths, and if you've been here before, then welcome back. Now, this question is a little bit like, how can I sing better? How can I improve my singing voice? Because there are lots of different angles to come from, there are different moving parts, and it's, how long is a piece of string? So what's perfect to you might be completely different to what's perfect to me or what's perfect to somebody else. I don't actually think there's a perfect way to sing a song, unless, the imperfect way would definitely be if you're using the wrong techniques and you're not looking after your voice and making your voice safe. As you know, my number one priority is always healthy voice, okay? As a voice coach, as an artist development coach, it's always about the well-being of the singer. That's always first. There's no point being able to hit really high and powerful notes if you can't then speak for another 2 hours, or if the next day you can't go out and gig again or record again, all right? Your voice has to have number one priority, the health of your voice. So what is perfect? Is it the way the song is sung is very emotional? Is it full of emotional expression? Are you getting all of the notes right in all of the right places at exactly the right time? Do you sound exactly the same as the original recording artist? Or if you're a songwriter yourself, are you singing it exactly the way you imagined it? Is perfect singing to you, is that when you can take any song and make it your own, sing it in your own style with your own nuances and your own subtleties and in a way that people can listen to it and say, oh, that sounds like the way such and such would sing a song? Or is it that you are technically correct and that when you sing a song, you're always singing it technically correct? Now, I will admit, in my vocal training for my singers who want to be professional singers, when I work with professionals or aspiring professionals, semi-professionals, all of that bracket, we do focus on technique, because technique is what makes your voice safe. It's what gives you the stamina. It's what gives you the strength and the power. And it's also what allows you to be able to sing softly without having gaps in your voice. Now, if you're someone who can sing very, very powerfully, but you can't sing softly, you can't get those high or mid notes when you're singing softly, it definitely means that you're not using the right techniques and that you've caused some damage to your vocal cords, and that's why you can't hit those notes. So if you've got gaps in your voice, then you need to do some restorative vocal care, and that is something that I can help you with. Now, when you're singing a song, the main thing to remember after keeping your voice safe is that you're telling a story. A song can be a moment in time, a portrait, it can be a story that's ongoing, it can be a story that's happened in the past, or it could be a story that you want to happen. So it might be a wish for the future. But in whatever setting it is, there is an emotional story attached to it. That emotion could be love, it could be desire, it could be fear, it could be anger, it could be nurturing and caring. All of the emotions that we have as humans can go into a song. So before you even think about, am I singing the notes right? Am I singing them in the right place? Do I sound good? I always do that. Do I sound good? It's really about, are you taking the audience on a journey? So anyone can learn how to sing a song well or nicely. Anyone can learn vocal technique. The difference is, are you able to take the audience on a journey? Do they start in one place and finish in another? And you want that to happen every time they hear the song, regardless. So if you have a song that you love, you really, really love, and you put on repeat, you will go through the journey that the song takes you on every time you play it, every time you sing it, every time you listen to it, because the performance of the artist or of the band and the way it's been produced when it's a good song will start in one place, lead you through a pathway, and you'll finish at another place. So how can you do that? Really, it's about being understanding what the song is about, the emotional journey that is involved in the song and how you want to convey that to your audience. Okay, I've worked with lots of singers who have lovely, lovely, lovely voices, but when they sing, there's just no life there. It's just like, oh, they've got a lovely voice, but I'm not really moved by the song. And this is why you'll have differences of opinion when you watch things like TV talent shows, because what a lot of people are listening for is just a good voice or vibrato or being able to hit high notes or having vocal agility and being able to do vocal gymnastics. What the professionals, what the experts are looking for is something different to what most of the audience are looking for. And that's why you have singers who are not the best singers, but who are great performers, forming pop groups. So to come back to how to sing a song perfectly, what is it? The question to really ask yourself is, what is it about the song that moves me, that I want to share with the audience, and how do I take the audience on that journey, on a similar journey to what I'm going from? How do I take them from feeling one way, going through another set of emotions, creating a transformation in the way that they feel, and then feeling another way at the end of the song? Or do I want them to feel a completely different way now when I sing this song to how I made them feel in the song that I just sang before, if you're singing a set, okay? So singing a song isn't always about being the best singer. It isn't always about hitting all of the right notes in the right places. But if that's where you want to start, of course, it's very, very, very important that you learn the right techniques and that you warm up first. Always, always, always warm up when you sing, always warm up when you practice. Now, inside the Singing Genius Club, I've got lots of different tutorials that can help you with all of this stuff. So they're ad-free tutorials. We also have challenges so at the time of making this video, we've got the 5-day vocal control challenge going on my YouTube channel, where you're probably watching this. And that is only available for 2 weeks. So my 5-day challenges are only available for 2 weeks. After that, you will only get day 1, and then the rest of the vocal challenges inside the Singing Genius Club. Now, what's great about the challenges is that they take you from a beginner's level. Now, even if you're a very experienced singer, and even if you consider yourself an advanced singer, it's always a good idea to go back and check that you're doing things properly, so that you're keeping your voice healthy and safe, and so that you can carry on singing, okay, night after night and day after day. So we start right at the beginning, and I take you on a journey. Again, it's about the journey. And each day, the exercises and the challenges, well, it becomes a little bit more challenged. So the exercises become progressively more challenging, but in a way that leads on from the day before. So you need to do the whole thing so that you get the full experience and that you know exactly what you're doing every single step of the way. That's what I love about the 5-day challenges. And as I say, you find those inside the Singing Genius Club. Now, we also have exclusive competitions, and we have every month a live masterclass. So a live singing masterclass. We have a members hotspot. Now, what that means is that as a member, you can come and you can sing for me, and I can give you some actual feedback. So it's within a call. It's in a live, private, exclusive group that only members can access. So you'll sing. I will give you feedback and help you with whatever it is you're finding challenging. So you have a 5-minute hotspot every single month, and there's a space for more than one person, for a few people. And you can also, if you don't feel like singing, if you don't want to sing, if you're not feeling quite ready yet to sing to the group, then you can just ask questions based on what it is that you're finding challenging. So I don't just give you the videos and leave you to deal with it, which is a little bit like what happens on YouTube, because unfortunately I can't answer everything. I get lots of questions and I can't really go in and give you one-to-one feedback on a free YouTube channel. All right, I just can't do that. But what I can do is take you inside a group where I can give you proper feedback that's actually going to help you. So if you're ready to join the Singing Genius Club, where you get all of this amazing stuff and you get to meet with me live every month, then all you need to do is go to the pinned comment and click the link there, or go into the description and click that link there. If you're not quite ready for the Singing Genius Club and you would like to try out the free 5-day course first, now this is for beginners, then do go into the description and click there where it says free 5-day course. So I hope that you understand a little bit more about how to sing a song perfectly. Really, in summary, perfect doesn't really exist, but what's perfect to you and what your audience enjoy is what matters. So I'll see you in the next video. Stay hydrated. Ciao!